Hello, everyone. Mr. Stewart here, principal at Mattoon High School, with a brief introduction to our return to in-person learning. I hope this finds you doing well, and I also want to start by saying thank you. Thank you for your patience, your cooperation, your grace, and all the communication that you had with us as we try to do our very best together to support our students. I know this has not been an easy first quarter for us. But I do want to say how proud I am of all the students and you for your dedication and, again, your patience in working with us as we learn right alongside all of you. Moving forward, I don't know that I can find the words to express the excitement and gratitude for the ability to have students back in the building and how much we've thought about our processes and procedures and prepared for bringing students back. And that I'm very sure that by working together and communicating, we can make our return to learning in person a success and a success that we can build on. So, I have just one document pulled up here that I wanted to kind of talk through together, but I also want to highlight a couple other things after we talk about that. So, thank you for your patience and working with me, as I'm not a professional videographer. But the one thing you can guarantee is how much I care about your students and how excited I am to see them all come back. So, here is our schedule. A couple changes that we've made due to transportation and working with other buildings is that we are pushing back our start time to 9 a.m. That's the start time. We will be opening doors at 8:45 a.m., okay? And students will work through the check-in procedure. That'll be covered in a video that's attached in an email you're receiving today. But I also want to point out on this that Mondays and Tuesdays, some students are attending in person. Thursday and Friday, other students are attending in person. Wednesdays, everybody will be remote. Students will have things to accomplish on every day of the week, and we will work through that with all of you. You can expect to be hearing from your teachers about how that works in each class. But if you have questions, it's very important that you reach out to their teacher and communicate with them. Remember, during wave time, we also have a time where that staff member helps students troubleshoot through problems. So make sure you use these resources. Again, with this new schedule, you can see every day will occur with a set schedule. This won't change weekly, so this will be the schedule of every day of the week, barring holidays, obviously. So I hope that this clarifies as well as eases any confusion you might have about our schedule every day. In the email, you also will receive today an explanation from our school nurse explaining how we deal with illnesses and COVID related issues. You also will have an updated video explaining the building procedures and expectations for returning to in person learning. And you'll have this document that has the schedule so that you'll be able to know what's happening each day. This week, during wave time, we've been covering all this information with your students. So, again, if you have questions, please reach out to your students' teachers, to the counselors, as we want to make sure everybody is ready for next week. But in the case of a glitch, remember, call and talk to us. We want to help you and we want to help your student be successful.